out that the RG Kar brutal rape and murder case has actually pressurized and embarrassed Mamata Banerjee's government in every way. And the opposition, also the common man, they are out in roads. The opposition up in guns. They are really putting their target on Mamata Banerjee, and they are doing protests everywhere. The BJP is called Bandh 2, and lot of protests are happening. Mamata Banerjee, in her own old model, she is trying to turn the table, and not only Mamata Banerjee, it is Abhishek Banerjee too who is trying to turn the table. They're trying to turn the table and put the pressure on central government. In which way? Number one, Abhishek Banerjee stated that he has demanded for an anti-rape law. If an anti-rape law which says that a person who is guilty, a person where there is corroborative evidence that that person has committed crime, then within 7 days or within 50 days that time has been given, that person should be hanged to death, capital punishment. And he has said that if the central government is not doing this, then he will bring a private bill. And he has also spoken that if this thing is not done by the central government, then there is going to be a protest in Delhi. And Trinamool Congress is well good in doing such protests. Number two, Mamata Banerjee herself, after Abhishek Banerjee, clearly projected that she needs an anti-rape law. And there she is trying to put the pressure on the centre by stating that she will actually call the assembly and pass a law there, an anti-rape law, which says that if there is evidence, the person who is guilty will be hanged to death. And that law will come to Raj Bhavan, and she will actually ask the governor to sign it. If the governor is not signing it, then they are going to do dharna out there. But technically this is to be seen that a state government can come up definitely with a law. But the thing is that if that law is not according to the central law, if there is a central law in the same thing and it's not according to the central law, then the state law falls unconstitutional and ultra vires. That's what the experts are saying. So in this case, what will happen, that is to be seen. And if the state government brings such law, can they bring such law? They can bring such law. But after that law is passed, and even if the governor is signing that, if there is an existing law in that, therefore, if there is an existing law and if that is opposing, if that is not according to what the central law is, then that law will be ultra vires. That's very interesting. But Mamata Banerjee, in her old way, she wants to put the pressure on the central government by also stating that it's 16 days and CBI has not done that. And in that old way, she has again given call of lot of protests and lot of dharnas, seeking that why CBI still is not arresting if more people are involved in this rape and murder case. So clearly Mamata Banerjee is not going to be, she is embarrassed, but she is not going to come back. She is rather going to push to the front. The more the pressure is on the government, the more the pressure is on Mamata Banerjee. She and Abhishek Banerjee is trying under pressure, tremendous pressure. But in this pressure, she is trying to turn the table in this way.